Hey guys, as promised, here's the 748 good to go. It's all put together. I have actually made a few test passes on this just to kind of feel the car out. Had the EPA turned all the way down to 60%, did around 80 odd Ks on 6L. Um, so it's fine. And the body, I hadn't reinforced the body and everything, and the suspension is just really was really soft and mushy at that time, so it didn't really give me the confidence to push it. It just felt really floaty, I suppose. But anyway, I'll quickly give you a rundown of what the car is, what's on it. Berserk chassis, so you did the trays and the top deck. It's just like the 988. XLX is bolted onto it. Made this rear brace, so it eliminates the flex because obviously the motor kind of ties it all in together. On my 966 that had the Saga custom chassis on it, that was the biggest issue I had with that chassis. Even if you lift it up like this, the entire rear end of the car just flexed. It's a full carbon chassis, so obviously there would have been some flex. And you don't have that much issue with the aluminum one. But anyway, XLX, I de-anodized it to just, I don't know, kind of match the car. Looks okay, I suppose. 3D printed a case for it. No fan, obviously. Upgraded the front caps so they don't blow on me. Mod 1 gears. I need to get the raw steel spur adapter. It was just something I had lying around. Steep new motor, 6L. New belts, new pulleys, low friction, all plastic except for this one, so that's alloy. Million weight diff oil, front and rear. I do want to go up. I'm still waiting on that 2.5 mil diff oil to come in, so I'll do that. Apparently it almost makes it locked. I don't want to go epoxy on this because the pulleys are actually on the diff case itself, so if I strip a pulley I'll have to buy a complete new gear diff set, which can get really pricey. The case is like $11, the entire diff case is like 70, so yeah, that's why I just don't want to lock them all up, not be able to use them. Servo's been relocated. Usually you'll find them here. It's now tucked in right over there. It is a full-size 8-scale servo, running on 7.4 volts. This is what that's for. That's just for the BEC, running the receiver and the servo. Receiver pack goes here. PM Racing 6S cap pack. Pierre Mav from Sydney, he makes these. He gave this one to me. Thank you very much for that. Really appreciate it. Haven't tested them out properly as yet, but on the previous data log, pulled around 0.3, 0.4 volts ripple. That was the max, which is pretty awesome. 6.5 mil bullets all around. Don't really feel the need to go to 8 mil, simply because the wires can't handle that much current. But anyway, that's a different argument. Other than that, yeah, so pretty beefy battery trays, hardly any flex to them. Bolted up with these 3 screws here, cut out for the servo. So yeah, it's the servo arms mounted upside down. It's pretty cool the way it works, but it's got full throw, so it's perfect. Tamiya motor mount, actually. It's a Tamiya motor mount, and I just asked Paul from Berserk to make a plate for it so that it can just, pull straight onto it. Other than that, very simple, straightforward build, nothing fancy. These LiPos I'm running. So Dual Sky Ultra 70C 4400 milliamp, 3 cell on either side, so 6 cell. But yeah, that's what the receiver is. This is just Velcroed on, so whenever I need to take the cable out, the wire out to hook it up to CastleLink, I can do that. But yeah, body's ready. It's all reinforced. It's fiberglass painted. Everything's good to go. Tires are here, obviously. But yeah, hopefully the next video I'll post up of some testing, some more shakedown passes, and hopefully I'll be able to get it all the way up to 100% throttle, 100 or 150 or 20, whatever it is. But yeah, there you go. 748 is good to go. So yeah.